Welcome back, guys, to Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions down here at the inlet. As you can tell, the CV is coming out, and it looks like it's a little bit of a rough day down here at Haulover, and those are the kind of days we like to see because it makes this a little more interesting. And if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get this first round started. Our first captain to come do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when that captain has no mercy. Not necessarily no mercy on Haulover, but no mercy for his compadre who's riding with him. Here, this captain's probably going just a little faster than this vessel should be going through, coming through Haulover in the conditions they're facing, but it's not stopping him. He's keeping the throttle down anyway and showing absolutely no mercy for his crewmate who's riding here. As you can tell as he's coming through, look at the replay, he can barely hang on. He's almost falling down on both of these waves. Captain keeps it going though, and even though they came blasting out of Haulover like this, we're going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover because I have a feeling my man's crewmate here is going to remember this one for some time to come and probably feel it as well. Our second contestant to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when you come rolling through Haulover with some flare, kind of like this CV's doing right here. When I say some flare, we're talking about bow flare up at the front of the vessel. This is one of the major differences between these offshore fishing boats and these go fast center consoles we see. Most of these offshore fishing boats are going to have bow flare, and right there, like you can see when it cut through the wave, it actually pushes the water out of the way, where a lot of these offshore go fast boats typically don't have that bow flare because they're more designed just with speed in mind, not anything that could possibly slow them down. But what that causes is if we saw one of those go fast center consoles coming through these same conditions the CV is, likely everybody in the boat would be wet, but right here in the CV, more than likely everybody is dry, and for that reason we'll go ahead and give this round to the boats and to that CV. Our next contestant to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to be a deep impact, but in this situation right here, I believe Haulover has something different in mind, is going to deep impact them. Haulover gives this vessel an absolute lashing right out the gates, and I think it throws this vessel off the whole way through because these guys never seem to really get their bearings as they're coming out of the inlet. As we continue to watch them to come through, they just appear to flounder. They never really try to get the vessel up on plane. They either look like they're confused or don't know where they're going. Maybe Haulover just knocked the wind out of them. Whatever it is, something's throwing them off their game, and we're going to go ahead and give the win to Haulover in this round. Our contestant in our fourth round is not going to have any of these problems, and they're going to go ahead and take the easy street route straight through Haulover. They're going to come out and show their aggressive nature, just go ahead and throttle down and force their way through. But when you got a vessel this size, it's just a little easier than some of the other boats we've seen come through Haulover. Even that deep impact just wasn't this big. This boat's got a whole lot more weight, a whole lot more horsepower behind it, and really can kind of just manhandle its way through Haulover in almost all conditions except for just the absolute worst when Haulover has that to throw at it. But this round right here will easily go to the boats, and that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And our fifth contestant is going to have a little bit of a slow start. Here we're going to see this MTI catamaran starting their way through Haulover Inlet, but as you can tell, they're going a little bit slow. When I say going slow, not slow for every boat, but this is a 100+ mile/hour boat, and they have no desire to be doing this speed right here. But Haulover is throwing some nasty shots at them, and they really can't get up on plane because this boat will be all over the place if they did. I'm not quite sure how to rate this one. It really isn't that bad, but I'm going to let you guys decide who takes the win this week. Let me know. The boats are Haulover Inlet in the comments below. 2 episodes back, we did the exact same thing, and we let you guys pick the winner when this CV was coming out of Haulover Inlet, and the votes are in, and you guys selected Haulover as the winner. And as always, when we do this, I like to thank a few of you voters. So our featured voters this week are Gary Eaton, Chris German, Rusty H, Ron Wilson, Wookie Supremacy, Sky Flocka, Nick Marr, and Salty Dog Fritz. Thanks for voting, guys, and participating, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all these great images down at Haulover Inlet, my channel Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well, and our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarity that happens around the boat ramps. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.